Yeah, in the last video, we have seen array list. Now let's see the vector. Vector. So vector and array list both are similar actually. So, but the array list is not thread safe. Vector is thread safe. Now we will be using vector in thread-based applications mainly. Okay, and we using vector also we can retrieve the data in 1 unit of time. Okay, and it is best suitable if you are performing the retrieval operation. Vector is best suitable. Okay, mostly we will be using vector in thread-based applications. Okay, there is nothing much to add on the vector actually. So we will see an example on the vector as well. So okay, so let's see an example on the vector. Yep, I have created a client application for the vector. So let me give the main method. So let me create an object of vector. So vector is a concrete class. We can create an object using a new keyword. Okay, so vector equals to new vector. So okay, so this vector in this vector collection we will be storing the some strings. Okay, so let's say string. I'll give vector dot add. I'll be giving the string value over here. So I'll say I'll be using some fruit's name, so apple. Let's copy, paste. I'll give banana. So add method is used to add an element to our collection. So you can use add method in every collection. Okay. So apricot, lychee, and we have mango. Okay. So fine. So let me display the data using the sysout. Okay. So let's see what we will be getting it. So we'll be getting the output something like this: apple, banana, apricot, lychee, mango. Okay. So in whatever order we have added the data, in the same order only it is displaying. But the difference is that like between the array list and vector, array list is not thread safe, vector is thread safe. We will be using vector in thread based applications. Okay, so that's all about the vector. Okay, there is nothing much to add on vector as we have already discussed the array list. So, so you can consider that both are equal, but the thing is that vector is having the thread safe. That's it.